Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So these two messages which I have sent is a joint statement that was prepared by CARE, the Council of Islamic Relations, American Relations, as probably most of you, at least in the United States, will be aware of. And so this is a joint statement which was prepared by them, and there's over 150 signatories of Muslim leaders and institutions, myself being a signatory. And these are basically demands to Muslim countries around the world, things that can actually be done. And if the common people will put pressure on their governments by whatever means they can, through elected officials, through you know advocacy groups, lobbying, etc., protest, whatever whatever means can be can be mustered up. So basically, what this is stating, and what the proposal is that all Muslim countries should suspend all, number one, cancel Abraham Accords. That was just a total fiasco. So all, and particularly now with the attack on Qatar and other horrific events, and with the total world consensus changing dramatically by the hour. So uh, they should be pressured into canceling the Abraham Accords, number one. Number two, suspending all oil sales, close all airspace to Israel, and send diplomatic aid missions to Gaza. So these are things that are practical things that Muslim countries can do. And so if we put pressure on our people effectively, inshallah, let's at least make an attempt to do this. And inshallah, as we see now, the flotilla with 50 ships moving towards Gaza, and the world opinion shifting dramatically, like a snowballing effect. So we have to keep up the pressure, increase the pressure, and increase the effectiveness of the strategies that we pursue. Inshallah, we know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised His help for the people of Iman, and ultimately, disgracing the people who oppose. So kindly um, distribute these messages among your circles. Move these messages to the maximum amount of people, and encourage them to get their families, their communities, their masajid, whatever, their constituencies, wherever they have their areas of influence, and get people on the move. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all and give us all tawfiq for all that He loves and appreciates, and accept that from us. Ameen thumma ameen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.